So, another email that came in. This came in from Paradise, Texas, from Arda. My home burned in 2006. Finally got it rebuilt in 2010. The master bathroom had installed a shower out of the Star Wars. Corner shower with acrylic surround, TV, radio, tub shower, rainfall shower, steam, etc., 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 and a light show my grandkids loved. And it's 10 years later. I have very hard water. The diverter valve that controls everywhere the water goes has failed, and I cannot find another one. There is not a component plumber out here that will locate it for me, fix it for me, or do anything. So it's not working. I'm going to have to rip out this very expensive shower and replace it for lack of a valve that is less than 3 feet long. Can you help me? Well, I would tell you this is probably a process of the plumbers being too darn lazy to get the right part for you. I understand being out in Paradise, Texas, there's probably not a lot of plumbing supply stores around that have it, but if you'll call into Ferguson Plumbing Supply, Moore Plumbing Supply, Morrison Plumbing Supply, give them what brand it is and what you're doing, I will bet you money they can supply you with a diverter. The biggest problem is going to be you're probably going to have to do some sheetrock repair afterwards because they're going to have access to the backside, whoever puts it in for you, in order to hook up all the pipes. But it is definitely available and should be able to be gotten. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.